So guys, I'm back making videos and you don't know why I am not making videos for the past couple weeks because of this. I was injected by flu 2 times on this one because the first one didn't go to my nerves. Yes, that's the reason. Anyways, let's back to my channel. Who lives in Naray, Pampanga? This is Talakasya's authentic sisig look. It's almost been prepared. Here, if you want to visit us. Guys, bye-bye!